Science is one of my favorite things to explore with the primary child. They are not quite at a place where they can take a deep dive like in the elementary, but here we can really start to explore what's around us immediately. One of my favorite materials in the classroom is our plant care, right? So this goes back to the basics of science, like botany and things like that, and the children can take care of the plants in here. So it's very easy for them to get in touch with the natural world and the scientific world by just taking care of what's around them, what's in front of them in our environment. And with that starts an interest in leaf shape, right? And how a plant works, and the roots and the stems and leaves and all of that. And we have materials that reflect that, which in Sensorial, it's the Botany cabinet, right? So the child will see the leaf in the actual plant, and then they'll go through and they'll learn the name of it with the Botany cabinet, and they'll trace it, and they'll become really familiar with it. And from there, they take all of this knowledge and they go outside with it, right? So they can further explore science on the playground or on a hike, and they bring all of that knowledge back into the classroom with things like our science table, where we'll find something outside, we'll put it on the table, there's a magnifying glass next to it, and it just allows for exploration. So the child here in the primary environment is really just dipping their toes into science, and just we're trying to spark that interest so they can further explore as they get older.